Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, I'm Putri Alawiyah. I'm marketing staff of PT Kendler Group. Now I want to promote the product. The product is Kendler sausage. What is Kendler sausage? Kendler sausage is one the product produced by the Kendler Group. Kendler sausage is a typical German sausage made from premium quality ingredients, such as by not using MSG or coloring in every sausage product. Considered sausage is ready to eat sausage that can be eaten immediately. No need to boil it again because it is ready cooked. Considered sausage is made from premium real meat so that the meat flavor is more pronounced and products of texture. Variety of Kezzler sausage flavor. 1. Kezzler hot. Spicy lovers, this flavor is suitable for you. 2. Gochujang. For those who like spicy but with a little sweet taste, this gochujang flavor is very suitable. 3. Cheese. If you like cheese, this flavor is for you. 4. Original. And for those who don't like spicy, cheese, or other flavor, this is the original taste. Shape and texture of Kessler sausage. The shape of this Kessler sausage is oval and slightly elongated. The Kessler sausage is larger than the usual sausage and fits in the palm of your hand. Because the Kessler sausage is made from selected premium meat, the texture of the sausage is soft and not tough. Not only comes in standard size, Kessler sausage also come in a mini size that are easy for it in one bit. The small pieces make it easy to enjoy the sausage as a mask or complement to other dishes. In addition to medium and mini size, Kessler sausage also come in packed. Pros and cons of Kessler sausage. Kessler sausage come in the many different flavors that you can try. The sausage can be eaten immediately without cooking again. But even so, sometimes there are those who hit the Kessler sausage after taking it from the refrigerator before eating it. Indoors, this sausage can last 1 to 2 days before the packaging expands. 3. For the sausage must be stored at cold or frozen temperatures. If the packaging has expanded, the sausage can still be enjoyed but must be cooked or heated first. Where can you buy Kessler sausage? You can buy Kessler sausage at offline store as Indomaret, Alfamart, or others. You can also buy at online store. How much this Kessler sausage costs? It's a price only 9,000 rupiah. You can get this premium sausage. Packaging. In order to meet consumption needs, first of all, various types of sausage packaging machines are required to achieve massive production capacity. In addition, novel packaging design are also in disassembled because packaged sausage are not only hygienic but can also improve their preservation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.